Greetings, July 14th, 2026, Bastille Day. And this will be part 5, Under the Wings 82 in progress. And a visitor here, Reverend retired campus pastor Rev.Rolston, visiting. He's in a number of videos over the years, responding to various artworks, Sightseeing with Dignity, Under the Wings series, and others.
Yeah.
And I just showed him the second stage I did yesterday. I mentioned that I did the pencil back in April, and I finally began drawing with ink yesterday. And the portrait of Margot Frank, who was Anne Frank's sister. Anne Frank, the famous diarist, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, with her autobiography, The Diary of Anne Frank, which I'm chagrined to have heard news in the last, might have been half year or so. Different schools in Florida have removed the diary from the school libraries and curriculum, which I find really appalling, along with the news about the Palm Beach airport, which I used to visit every year for many years, being renamed in President Trump. That's a whole other story. Anyway, on to Reverend Brooke here. Thanks. I'm curious to hear your...
I'm glad to visit.
Also mentioned, so when I was doing the inking yesterday, I did some, probably, might be a few hundred dots.
Yes.
And then I decided, just for kind of variety, I began doing a little gestural, expressionistic drawing here. So I've got to finish the eye here, eyeglass over there, yeah, eyebrow, and then the hair, forehead, neck, and so on.
Right. I like what seems a real contrast to me, Akiva, the discipline of these tiny pointillist entries of black ink on her chin, her lips, her cheeks, her nose, and the freedom you've given yourself to do some quite expressive, moving lines around her face. That's a contrast that I really like.
Oh, great! Great, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm wondering how much I might be seeing of the face of Anne, who I've only seen maybe a few photographs of in my lifetime. Still, to see another member of that family, to know the horror they lived through and the ends that the girls met.
And the mother as well. The mother was also murdered. Otto, the father, was the only one who survived.
Yes, yes.
And you said you were in Amsterdam once.
I was in Amsterdam, close to that house. I wasn't sure I could climb the stairs to a narrow passage, I'm told, is in that house. So instead, I chose to go to the Dutch, I think it's called the Dutch Resistance Museum, which portrays an amazing network of people doing their part to oppose the Nazi occupation and the Nazis themselves. But I feel somewhat close to this, although never as close as I am right now, thanks to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you hold this up maybe on your
Like
left side just for a sec?
Sure, I can do that.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you could lift it up a tad.
I can do that.
Great. All right, and look this way.
And looking towards you.
Yep.
Sure.
Merci beaucoup. In French, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. De nada.
De nada. Dziękuję bardzo, po polsku in Polish. And thank you. All right.
You are welcome.
There we have it.